Let's see. Spirit, can you... Bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Cancer. If not, this is telling me that somebody wants to move forward with you. All right, let's see. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But this person, they're dragging their feet right now. Because in the past, it was a lot of internal conflict with them. They felt like they lost you for good because it's like they couldn't make up their mind. They were playing around. Now this person is coming out of that energy. Could be dealing with a Leo. But this person is trying to have the strength here to come towards you. But see, the thing is, I told you they were being sneaky in the past. And I mean, well, hell, we saw that up here. They were definitely being sneaky. So let's see. Tell me more. Could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But I feel like the person that did you wrong, they were being sneaky, this person does have a hard time speaking the truth. They have a hard time showing emotions. But this person is sad. Tell me more. Yep, they had to remove themselves from a third party here. And they know that you're disappointed. This could be you having to remove yourself because you knew this person was treating you wrong. You knew this person was entertaining someone else and you decided, I'm not entertaining it. So you left them. Somebody could have been dealing with an Aries here. I'm seeing a lot of fire. They could have had fire in their chart, but somebody could have been dealing with an Aries, but it's like you want stability in your life. And with this person, I feel like you didn't see it. And now they're realizing that they may not have a chance with you. They may not have that 10 of Cups with you anymore because they were being sneaky. They messed up. See? Yeah, they got cut off. They got cut off. Could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. Gemini just tried to jump out. So some of you guys may be dealing with a Gemini. Back and forth with the Knight of Swords. Yeah, I do feel like you had to cut them off because it's like there was a lot of harsh communication. There were a lot of things that were said to you that were just like really mean, nasty, rude. But I do feel like this person wants to rush back in to say something to you, but then at the same time, they're not. See? They want things to improve. And, yep, they want to turn things around. I'm telling y'all, this person wants to come back, Scorpio. But they feel like you're not going to give them a new beginning. And that's why they have to remove themselves from this third party. Because they know if they don't, things will not improve. Yep, they hurt you. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio. Or, this is just, it's a water sign. Definitely a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me more. This person's afraid that they're not going to have a new beginning with you. See, there's Cancer. Y'all, are y'all seeing this? I know y'all see it, but you guys got to say that. Y'all, I'm seeing a lot of fire and water here, okay? Lord. Okay, they want to move forward with you, right? And they're trying to manifest that. They're trying to stay positive. Tell me more. But they're trying to decide how to go about doing this. Clarify? Yeah, because in the past they had other options. Now they feel like they're not going to have a victory with you because they feel like if they come back, you're walking away. Tell me more. Yep, you're going to end things with them. This could be them ending things with that third party individual. Yep, in order to start over and build something solid with you. They don't want to have a victory with that other individual. But see, they know that they stabbed you in the back. They know that they hurt you, see? They left you out in the cold. And when it comes to the 10 of Swords, it's reversed. So it's like they're hoping that you've healed, that you can forgive them when they do come in. But they're saying that they're not using their intuition because I feel like Spirit is trying to push them to come towards you, but they're still, quote-unquote, feeling stuck in that situation, but then they're also thinking about how they left you out in the cold, and it's stopping them from moving forward with you. So, it's like they're stopping themselves. But there's an offer here. You're definitely going to get an offer. See? Could be from an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. If not, this is a secure offer. This person realized that they didn't bring balance into the situation in the past. And see, now they want to balance it out. Now they want stability with you. Now they want marriage, commitment. They want it all. Clarify the 10 of Pentacles. But they're not telling you this right now. Because there's someone here. There's definitely someone here that they've been helping out financially, or they're with someone because of finances. This person does not want to let them go. Tell me more. But look at that. They're going to free themselves. Whoever they've been dealing with, whether it's a love interest or it's a family member, they are letting this individual go. They are. I see them being single. I see them freeing themselves. And they're going to have a peace of mind once they do it too. Yep, they're getting advice because they're taking a leap. The Fool landed right on top of release your ex. They're taking a leap to basically move away from this ex, whoever this person is. Yep, because they want to have a commitment with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus. Aquarius tried to jump out. Yeah, I was about to say when Aquarius tried to jump out, it was reversed, which is telling me that this person doesn't have hope. Like they're thinking you're not going to be with them, you don't want to take them back, and that's why they're not confident. But they know that you're owed an apology. You are. Yep, look, I'm telling you. They're coming back to give you the offer, girl. I'm gonna say, listen, okay, girl, man, whoever. I said girl, so maybe it's a girl that's about to get the offer. I'm telling you, there's somebody coming back to give you this offer, okay? They're not playing. They're not playing anymore. And it's because they don't have a happy home wherever they are right now, but they're afraid that they may not have a happy home with you because they messed up so bad. So they made a decision. But see, they're not saying anything. Every time they want to come towards you, they back up. Like, they don't say anything at all. Okay. And that's why you're not receiving that offer yet. Because they feel like you're going to turn them down. You know, maybe they feel like there's no security with their finances. You never know. But yeah, it's something with the past. Let me see. Tell me more. And because they're not giving you that offer due to what they did towards you or did to you in the past. Yeah. See, they feel like you're not going to put in any effort when they do come back in because they hurt you too bad. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. This could be maybe they're feeling like financially it's not there right now. Their stability isn't there because there was somebody that they were dealing with. Remember, I told you this person wanted them only for their finances. And so this person has to end things with this individual. They're trying to break away. It's about money. This is money, yeah. This person is frustrated. This is why they've been moving slow. They've definitely been moving slow. Taking their time because they've been frustrated about their finances. And see, they want to give you an offer, but at the same time, they know that they were being very childish. For some of you, that this person may be younger than you, but I'm telling you, they're afraid that you're going to cut them off. Because even though I see two cards here, my eyes keep going back to these two women. And you know it can be two men. But this person was moving slow because of this third party situation. This person was interfering. And your person entertained it, you know? So you had to cut them off. See? And they're frustrated. Because I told you, they felt stuck. They felt stuck in that situation, and that's why they're not speaking their truth to you just yet. Because they're afraid. But see, look, the moon is reversed. The truth is coming out. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Yep. They're going to come and tell you that they want to put in the work to win you back. They don't want you guys to look back at what took place in the past, because they want a new beginning with you. This person is no longer taking their time. They're no longer moving slow. And they're clearing away obstacles in order for the two of you to be together. You just better say that. Come on, Spirit. Yes. But they're having a hard time telling you this. Okay. Because they're trying to weigh up what to do. How to go about doing this. This person loves you. Could be dealing with a Gemini. But they feel like you are their soulmate. Like you're it. But they're afraid that they messed up so bad, you're not going to give them a new chance, a new opportunity to make things right. See, this person is regretting their decisions. Yep, they're regretting everything. Because the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. And they know they have to speak their truth to you. So this person has a hard time opening up. Oh, yeah, look at that. This person, I feel like they've been healing. They want happiness with you, but see, it's like they feel stuck in something codependent. Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. Is it? Clarify justice. Yeah, this is why they're not talking to you. It could be a legal situation, could be a contract. There could be something going on here. That's why I'm like, they're trying to get out of something. Yeah, see, the Queen of Wands. I'm not picking up your energy, Scorpio. This person that they're dealing with, they're a piece of work. I'll just leave it there, okay? Could be a fire sign. Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius, but this person here, yeah, this is why this person feels like they don't know if they can balance things out, because whoever this individual is, I'm telling you, they're giving them a hard time. Back and forth with the Four of Swords. So it's like this person is frustrated and they're worried that they're not going to be able to make things right because they don't even know how to get out of this. But then at the same time, it's like they want to come towards you. They want to talk to you. But I feel like they're keeping their distance because they don't want you in the drama. Yeah, because see, that person did take a hit financially and they're trying to get out of a situation. See, it's toxic. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Definitely. So they made a decision, but they don't have any hope right now. Could be dealing with an Aquarius. Yeah, they feel like things may not improve because they feel stuck. They're trying to make a decision right now. Tell me more about this third party person. I'm telling you, whoever they're dealing with, guys, this I keep saying they're a piece of work, okay? That's all I'm going to say. They're a piece of work. Read between the lines all you want. They're a piece of work. So, could be a Virgo. But this individual here is really interesting, but they had to go through this. This is what's changing them. This is what this person is helping them learn their lesson. And so now they're sitting back and they're thinking, they're reflecting, okay? Let's see. They do want to ask you out. They want to take you out. They do. I'm telling you, they want to talk to you, but I'm glad. You know what? I'm actually glad to see that. Because for some reason, I was hoping that I would see another 9. Because that's telling me that this karmic cycle that he or she has been going through is wrapping up. And I'm glad to see that. This person can't sleep. They're worried. They're worried and they're frustrated. Because they don't know if you're going to take them back. It's more so down. Yeah, they don't want to argue with you. And they're tired of arguing with this other person. Could be a Sagittarius, but this person wants to balance things out with you. Look at that. Wheel of Fortune. This person's going to learn their lesson. I'm telling you, they're learning their lesson. It's done. They're coming towards you. But that individual is a piece of work, okay? So, but as crazy as it sounds, one day you're going to sit back and I think one far away day, okay? You're going to sit back and laugh. You're going to be like, you know what? I'm glad such and such came into your life because it took this person doing X, Y, and Z for you to realize how good of a man or how good of a woman I was to you and I am to you. Because now this person is going to come back acting right if you decide to take them back. All right, Scorpio, that was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if it resonates.